domain, it still belongs to them. So your only purpose served while you are there are for City of Hartford to bring revenue, to draw revenue off of you via taxes or via imprisonment or whatever form of coercion or threaten that they put on you. You see, house mortgage or whatever, because you are living on the corporation property. So now, you cannot live on the corporation property and the corporation don't make no money. You see? This whole setup was set up to make money and send it go back to England. This country wasn't set up for no other reason but to make money. And to make money off of the people. So now what I'm saying now, you have City of Hartford, which is a corporation. And the corporation has its various departments, which you may call them municipalities. You see, or various departments under the City of Hartford, like the police department or the so-and-so department. All of these things are under City of Hartford or City of New York or City of whatever. Remember, the name of the company, the name of the business is called City of Hartford. Or the name of the company is State of Connecticut. You see? So for many of the brothers and sisters who think that when it comes to politics and elections, to be elected for the mayor or to be elected for public office is all about putting somebody there who loves people and care about the people and want to make a better, nice, beautiful community for the people and educate people and feed people. You're under a goddamn illusion, my brothers and sisters. I'm sorry to tell you, but I'm not sorry, but it's just a reality. You see, that's an illusion. The City of Hartford, when you run in a corporation, what is the purpose of running a corporation? To make profit. To make profit. Now, if you're going to be the mayor of City of Hartford, that means you got to be able to can manage a multi-million-dollar corporation and make a profit. If you can't make no profit, how are you going to run the corporation? You see? Yeah, you have some people say that, oh, that the mayor sold out his people or whatever by bringing development into that part of town and setting up that part of town. But it's more money he's making over there for the corporation. You set up more business, the corporation make more money off of you. Simple as that. And your rights, you don't have no rights. You think you have rights? Once you are on that corporation property and under the jurisdiction of that corporation, whatever agreement you have is a contract. Whatever agreement that you have with your name on it and City of Hartford or anything where you have on it with your name on it and State of Connecticut or with any other, your name and any other people, it's called a contract. And you're making a contract with a corporation. The city charter is a contract. It's an agreement where these people come together and say, we going to call ourselves the city of whatever. And this is our piece of land, and we're going to make money off of this land. Yeah. Simple as that. So for any of you brothers and sisters who thinking that this thing is other than what it is, you got to wake up. Because that's why certain things will never ever be where you live in. So certain struggle and certain argument that ones are once defending about making Hartford a better place or making a town, it's never going to be no better place if you think it's about rights and equality and justice. You're never going to have that. It's about making money. You see, they make money from the time you're born, money right through the time you live, and make money from the time you're sick, and make money while you're dying and all when you're dead. You see, and after when you're dead, they're still making money off of you. You see, and then after they make money, you just work and dead. You could work 20 years and buy a house. and thinks that, oh, you done made it now and got a little house and property or whatever, whatever. And then go turn down your nose and frown at somebody else who don't got no house and look at them and say, oh, I'm making Hartford a better place. Oh, I'm improving the neighborhood. And but you know you're paying out your asses on taxes. And your bills going through the roof. You see, these people making money off of you when you ain't making none. All you doing is paying bills. Just paying bill and paying bill and Mr. Bill and this bill and that bill, paying bill just to keep up the appearance of what? City of Hartford or City of New York or whatever it want to be. You see, Ethiopia is not no corporation. Ethiopia was never established as a corporation. You see, Ethiopia wasn't a place where some Africans just got together and said, let's go find an empty land, kill over some people, set up some business, set up a city, and set up a corporation, and then we're going to make money and call it a city or call it a country. No, 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 no. That's not how Ethiopia was established. But that's how America was established. And that's why, my brothers and sisters, you're so frustrated every day because your status is a corporate ward status. You are a corporate ward. You are under the jurisdiction of your oppressor. You're under the jurisdiction of your oppressor. Yeah, that's why you got a number. But you see now, like the Social Security number, that's voluntary. You see what I'm saying? You voluntarily go do that. You see? You become property. You are literal property, you see, of the state or of the city or of the so-called government. You have no rights. We're talking about law. So as long as my brothers and my sisters, as long as you relinquish and you give up your natural birthright, you're done. Plain and simple. You now go and be the victim and subject to the hand of a lot of these Babylonian laws. You see? Plain and simple. Plain and simple. Because it's a corporate government and it's a corporate world. Now, for example, you go into a courtroom and say now you go in the courtroom and you're in the court in your proper person. You're not there as a corporate ward, meaning that you have no contractual relationship with the plaintiff if the plaintiff is called the state of whatever. If you don't have no contract with the state of whatever, then how can that person sue you? You have to have some type of relationship. In order for me to can sue you, you have to have some form of relationship with the person that you are suing. You have to. You have to know them or know of them or have some type of interaction, have a contract with them or agreement with them. If you're a corporation. That's how it go? So now, my brothers and my sisters, what are your agreements with this corporation determines your status, especially when you go into the court. Because when you go into the court now, there's nobody in the court who can actually